Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to wrap your yarn on your first set of sticks for your diamond. You'll need one set of sticks, a pair of scissors, a plastic knife, a Sharpie, some tape, and one ball of yarn to get started. The first thing to do is to take your set of Ojo sticks and flip it over so that the back side is facing you. This is the side that is a little more rough and has a sharper edge. Take one ball of yarn, remove the tape, tuck your yarn behind your Ojo sticks across these corners in the middle, and you're going to tie a double knot. Tuck under and pull, cross, tuck under, and pull. Make that nice tight double knot in the back and then snip off the tail. Don't snip it off too short, otherwise it can pull apart your knot. Then you're going to flip your set of Ojo sticks over. Notice that we see only one diagonal line of yarn. You're going to now wrap so that you have another diagonal line of yarn, making it set up like an X. The way that you wrap the Ojo needs to be done in a flat and tight way, just like how you did your baby Ojo. So what I'm going to do is drop my yarn down by my feet, and I'm going to make sure I lay this bit of yarn right here next to the last piece. Then I'm going to wrap it around that stick and turn. Hold this hand here so I can move my left hand to this stick. And now I'm ready to do the next piece. Lay this piece of yarn right here. Wrap this stick under, back towards myself. Go up to the next stick and hold so I can move my hand. Lay the yarn, wrap, hold the next stick, move. Lay the yarn, wrap back to me, hold the next stick, move. Lay the yarn, wrap back to me, hold the next stick, and move. When I do the Ojos in real life, I find the fastest way is to make sure that I'm holding this tight with my pointer finger and thumb, and that allows me to keep it tight but allow this to slide through as I need it. It's also helpful to not hold it right here next to the center. If I hold it here, notice this end of my string keeps getting caught. I find it helpful actually to hold it almost as far away as the end of my stick so that I can lay the yarn, and as I wrap, all of my yarn clears out of the way of that long, annoying wooden arm. Hold the next one, move. Lay the yarn, wrap, hold the next one, move. Lay the yarn, wrap, hold the next one, move. Continue in this way, making that diamond in the center grow. If you start to notice pieces that are on top of one another, that is incorrect. You really want to make sure you're laying them right next to each other, like that. Continue doing that until your Ojo is the size of the palm of your hand. When your diamond is the size of the palm of your hand, you are ready to stop. Get your scissors and cut your yarn 2 or 3 inches away from that stick. You're going to very tightly wrap the yarn around that last stick, and then on the back, you're going to take that tail and tuck it in with a plastic knife. Take the tip of the knife, touch it to the yarn, and then wiggle it under these other wraps. When you pull the knife out, place your finger here and slide the knife out. If any of the tail is still there, sticking out, you can continue to poke it in. So what you should see in a completed diamond is nice even rows, each piece of yarn laying next to each other. It shouldn't get puffier and puffier. It should grow wider and wider. These extra wraps where we tucked in the tail will get covered up when we join our Ojo diamonds together. When you go to make your second diamond, you don't have to measure to your hand. Your second diamond you'll lay on top of this one and measure them to match the same exact size as one another. Please remember at the end of class, if you're not finished wrapping your Ojo, roll your ball of yarn down to meet your Ojo and put a piece of tape. If you are finished with a ball of yarn, wrap it up so it doesn't get tangled, tape it, and stick it in your bag. At the end of class, make sure also that you have wrapped all your yarn. Remember, you need 4 different colors. If you forget the details, they are here on the board for you. Find the outside tail, wrap it on your fingers, pull it off and fold, wrap, pinch, and turn until you have that ball of yarn that is the correct size. You need 4 different colors. Also remember to return your taped skein to the dirty bin over by the window. If you are starting to run out of time, we can modify this make 2, take 2 rule. You can just take the rest, and we don't want to run out of time. Your goal for today is to try to make sure all 4 colors of yarn are ready and hopefully 1 or 2 diamonds are complete. If you get all 4 complete, then the next time we have class together, we will combine them with the octagon wrap like you see here in the tan color. I'm really excited for you to work on your stuff. Good luck today.